Today's recipe will be the perfect addition to your favorite soups. It goes with just about anything. Howard shows us how to make a Parmesan onion board in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
You know, this is the time of year when we find ourselves craving soups and stews, since they tend to warm us up from the inside out. And if you're like me, then no bowl of soup, chili, or stew is complete unless there's something to dunk in it. So let me share with you an old world style onion board that's good for dipping, dunking, or wiping the bowl clean. We start by browning a large onion in some butter until it's golden. While that finishes up, we roll out a loaf of frozen bread dough that we've thawed and place it on a rim baking sheet. Once it fits perfectly, we brush it with a beaten egg and spread the sauteed onions over it. This looks amazing. Now, we sprinkle on some poppy seeds and a bit of Parmesan cheese, and into the oven it goes. There you have it, a perfect fresh from the oven solution to dip or dunk into all your comforting favorites. To be honest, it's so good, I could eat half of this before it ever gets to the table. To get the recipe for our Parmesan onion board, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a freshly baked way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Give me one of those corner pieces for sure. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.